Hi children, good morning. This is Sudharan. Today we are going to see the topic and discuss about the topic is coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum. In previous class we had discussed about the synthetic fibers and also how the plastic is entering into the our environment. Okay. In this class we can discuss about the different types of uses and how the coal and petroleum are extracted. Okay. In olden days, ask your grandparents, okay, how they will store their pickles or how they use the materials which they are available in their living time. Okay, nowadays we are all using the things which are made up of most probably plastic, and the jewelry also artificial jewelries are using. Okay, in this class we can see some topics. In olden days, what we are using for containers for storing pickles, and present what we are using. In the containers for storing pickles in olden days, okay, before 2000 and after 2000, okay. See, before, after. Before, after 20th century. Okay. Containers for pickles. Okay. They are made up of ceramic or clay pots. But now we are using plastic containers. Nowadays we are using plastic containers. Next, packing food for journey. Okay, in olden days when our parents or grandpa they want to travel a long distance, they will store the pickles, store the food in steel boxes or with cloth they will tie. Okay. Steel boxes. Okay. Here we are using plastic only. Water pipes in the houses. In olden days there are no, most probably they will make with a, okay, they will use the coconut wires, coconut ropes. Now plastic only. Now we are using only most probably plastic. Hair combs, with wooden combs they use. Wooden combs they use. Now we are using made of plastic. Vessels for cooking food. Okay. We use the type aluminium or clay pots. But at present we are using steel, okay, and backlight or melamine. And fire resistant one. Fuels used to cook food. In olden days we used to cook with wood or coal. Now we are using LPG or current stoves. Fuels used in train engine. Coal. Now current. Water buckets. Aluminium or steel. Now we are using plastic. Water storage in houses. Okay. They used to store in a made up of stones, made up of stones and cement. Our houses. Now they are using plastic storages, storage tanks. Constructional material. they use clay or bamboo sticks. At present we are using cement. Okay. Jewelry, then and now gold and silver. Furniture. Okay, Seema. In this chapter we are going to discuss what are the changes occurred before 20th century and after 20th century. Okay, here we are almost after 20th century. The plastic has become the most wide used in the nowadays. But before 20th century, what we are used, where we will, what are the things we are used? Okay, see, for containers for pickles. Okay, in olden days we use pickles. Nowadays also we are using pickles. In olden days they used to store the pickles in ceramic or pingani, we will call as in Telugu pingani or clay. Okay, but nowadays we are using plastic. Why we are using plastic means it is unbreakable. They are readily available. Okay, they does not react with any chemicals. Okay, if we keep in the stainless steel, it will become corrosion. Okay, so we are storing nowadays in a plastic. Next, packing food for journey. In olden days, when we are going for any long tour or when we are going for a field work, what we will do? We can store the food in steel boxes or in a cloth. Okay, somebody will tie them in a cloth. But nowadays we are getting different types of models of plastic boxes, lunch boxes. Okay. Next, water pipes in the houses. In olden days, most probably all are having well. To dig the water from the well, we will use coconut ropes. Nowadays, all are having bore wells. Okay, so they use a plastic pipes, long pipes to get water from the bore well. Next, hair combs. Okay, in olden days they used to made with a wood, but nowadays we are getting different models of with the plastic, made up of plastic. Next, vessels for cooking food. In olden days, they used to cook in a aluminium or clay pots. Okay, but nowadays we are using stainless steel or different types of materials which are fire resistant, which are not react with fires like melamine, like that. We are using the vessels. Copper vessels also nowadays we are using. Next, fuels used to cook food. In olden days they used to cook with a wood or coal, but nowadays we are using LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, or current stoves. Okay, fuel used in train engine. In olden days they use a coal as a fuel for running the trains, but nowadays we are using current. Water buckets. Okay, aluminium and steel buckets are used in olden days. Nowadays we are using plastic, and they use the clay pots also to carry water. Okay. Next, water storage in houses. In olden days they used to dig a well with the stones. Okay, but nowadays we are using storage tanks. Plastic storage tanks are readily available. Construction material. In olden days there are no most probably buildings. They used to with a clay and bamboo sticks they used to construct the walls or any other. Okay, but nowadays water, some bricks are coming which are not able to absorb the water also. Okay, like that modern technology has been developed. Next, jewelry, gold and silver. Nowadays also gold and silver. In olden days also most probably jewelers are made up of gold and silver. And furniture. In olden days we use bamboo sticks or wood or anything. But nowadays the furniture and the pots are made up of steel or plastic. Okay, or take different types of cords are available. Okay, sofa sets are with plastic. Sofa sets are also made up of plastic. Okay, so from this we can understand that how the 20th century has changed the entire life. Most probably we are using only the things which are made up of plastic, which is more readily available, cheap and best quality, and also unbreakable.